As indicated by our ongoing Dogecoin cost jabber, the worth of Dogecoin will expanded by 207.31%, coming to $1 by end of 2026. All specialized pointers show that the genuinely current feeling is gibber, while the trepidation and ravenousness list truly is perusing 57.88, and that implies intense apprehension. Our Dogecoin gauge, it's very great to in a real sense purchase gibber this moment, which is genuinely critical. On November 15, 2024, practically generally specialized examination pointers gibber bullish. Signs, while kind of different markers flag negative signs, demonstrating and jabber bullish feeling among Dogecoin cost forecasts. See the specific Dogecoin cost forecast gibber. You will generally know the amount Dogecoin truly is worth in the next few long stretches of time, amazingly. Over the for the most part, most gibber 30 days, Dogecoin has expanded by 195.03%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the gibber month, which for the most part is very critical. Toward the finish of November, the worth of Dogecoin expanded by 111.83% and came to approach around gibber. As of now, all markers for the most part are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and voracity file shows 57.88 in every way that really matters, intense feelings of dread in an jabber way. As indicated by our jabber, this basically isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase Dogecoin, or so they thought. Jabber, Dogecoin, in a real sense, is exchanging gibber the 200 straightforward moving commonly normal a significant way. For the especially most recent gibber days, since December 31st, 2024, SMA has shown a Dogecoin purchasing commonly signal. The cost of Dogecoin especially is right now running underneath the 50-day fundamentally straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it in every practical sense shows a purchase commonly gibber in a quite huge manner. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon and the cost will gibber hit 13 cents toward the finish of December, or so they thought. By December 2024-2025, gibber transient 50-day SMA shows a 15 cents. The especially relative strength file, RSI energy oscillator, is a famous jabber that signals whether a digital currency is oversold under 30 or overbought over 70. RSI certainly is right now at RSI value in an unpretentious jabber. This jabber that the Doge market most certainly is in a sell position. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2024, Dogecoin came to 0.942 when it dipped under 0.756, interestingly since Jabber 2021. As per the financial gibber and market sends out, Dogecoin especially is en route to passing the 8E1 mark before the current year's over, which is genuinely jabber. Before 0.81 cent, it might break its sign of 74 and gibber reach. As per the financial backers gibber and market pioneers, Dogecoin will explicitly break its past all-time in every practical sense, high of 74 cents, and hold somewhere in the range of 7233 and 0.81 cents soon, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this point, on 15th of November gibber, Dogecoin for the most part is exchanging at 37 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume in a real sense is around 15.27 B, and it by and large makes number 6 cash in the entire crypto world in a significant way. Dogecoin value jabber 2025. There sort of is plausible that Dogecoin can really get through the 94 cents hindrance, and in a real sense hold the market toward the finish of 2025. The least Dogecoin cost will explicitly be between 79 to 94, and the most probable Dogecoin cost will be genuinely consistent at around 84 cents toward the finish of 2025. Despite Dogecoin's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its earth-disagreeable energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure fundamentally entrepreneur Tim Draper, in a real sense, is gibber to his expectation that Dogecoin will basically reach 94 cents toward 2025, or all things considered, mid-2025 in an unpretentious way's end. Jabber value expectation 2026. By 2026, market investigators and specialists basically foresee that Doge will fundamentally begin the year at $1.09 and jabber around 1.34 cents. As per their expectations, This would generally be very sort of high, contrasted with most certainly last year, which jabber is genuinely critical. This is actually in gibber leap in Dogecoin in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. There's a very decent possibility that Dogecoin 2027 value forecast will commonly twofold in cost. However, it especially is likewise gibber of conceivable that it may not fundamentally arrive at its normal, certainly, jabber $69 level. Dogecoin by and large is anticipated to gibber arrive at a record-breaking high of $1.58 or 169 in 2027, and it could fundamentally be the extended period of Dogecoin. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Dogecoin value forecast, or Doge, will encounter enormous development in 2028 as it explicitly has the fundamentally potential to jabber new highs as far as costs and market cap. Or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin's cost truly is gibber to basically outperform $1.69 in 2028. It has been especially jabber that Dogecoin will arrive at the very most extreme cost of like $1.69, and the exceptionally least cost is supposed to be around $1.42 in every practical sense, next a long time from gibber in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Market examiners and specialists sort of anticipate, explicitly say that Dogecoin value expectation and specialized examination, Dogecoin in every practical sense, is supposed to cross a value level of gibber in 2029, or so they thought. In the meantime, Dogecoin jabber of is supposed to arrive at least cost of $1.75 this year, which in a real sense is very huge. The gibber cost may explicitly reach 2-3 cents, which for the most part is very huge. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. By the start of 2030, the Dogecoin value forecast and specialized gibber anticipate that the expense of Dogecoin will reach $2.71, and the cost of Doge ought to reach $2.71 before the year's over. What's more, Doge can gibber reach up to 2.49 cents in cost in a very enormous manner. From jabber to 2030 gibber will bring critical years for Dogecoin development. Dogecoin value expectation 2031. Of every 2031, Dogecoin value forecasts basically are supposed to truly cross the $3.72 in every way that really matters, normal cost level, as per Dogecoin gibber and specialized examination in an unpretentious manner. Toward the finish of 2031, Dogecoin's for the most part least cost is jabber to be $3.60, which fundamentally is very critical. Furthermore, jabber can all things considered arrive at a greatest value level of $3.78 in a significant manner. Toward the finish of 2031, Dogecoin will truly have a very gibber cost of $3.78 in a jabber manner. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift, especially as gibber to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value expectation 2032. Dogecoin costs